आप कहाँ से हैं?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
आप कहाँ पर हैं?
Where are you? Where are you?
मैं घर पर हूँ।
I am at home. I am at home.
मेरी बात सुनो।
Listen to me. Listen to me.
मुझसे बात करो।
Talk to me. Talk to me.
यहाँ ध्यान दो।
Pay attention here. Pay attention here.
मेरी तरफ देखो।
Look at me. Look at me.
क्या हुआ?
What happened? What happened?
सब ठीक है।
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
विश्वास रखो।
Have faith. Have faith.
ठीक से बात करो।
Talk properly. Talk properly.
लगे रहो।
Carry on. Carry on.
नहा लो।
Take a bath. Take a bath.
हाथ धो लो।
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
जल्दी आना।
Come soon. Come soon.
यहाँ आओ।
Come here. Come here.
वहाँ जाओ।
Go there. Go there.
ध्यान से जाना।
Go carefully. Go carefully.
खड़े हो जाओ।
Stand up. Stand up.
बैठ जाओ।
Have a seat. Have a seat.
चलो चलते हैं।
Let's go. Let's go.
समय पर आना।
Be on time. Be on time.
जिद मत करो।
Don't insist. Don't insist.
इसे संभालो।
Handle it. Handle it.
इसे पकड़ो।
Hold it. Hold it.
सावधान रहो।
Be careful. Be careful.
धीरे चलो।
Walk slowly. Walk slowly.
जरा रुको।
Just wait. Just wait.
इसे करो।
Do it. Do it.
ऐसा मत करो।
Don't do like that. Don't do like that.
इसे अभी करो।
Do it right now. Do it right now.
इसे फिर से करो।
Do it again. Do it again.
इसे दोबारा मत करना।
Don't do it again. Don't do it again.
मेरे पास 2 कार हैं।
I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars.
मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं।
I have 2 children. I have 2 children.
मेरा इंतजार करो।
Wait for me. Wait for me.
मैं इंतजार नहीं कर सकता हूँ।
I can't wait. I can't wait.
उसका इंतजार करो।
Wait for him or wait for her. Wait for him or wait for her.
मुझे इसकी जरूरत है।
I need it. I need it.
क्या तुम्हें इसकी जरूरत है?
Do you need it? Do you need it?
तुम्हें जाने की जरूरत है।
You need to go. You need to go.
वे आ रहा है।
He is coming. He is coming.
वे जा रहा है।
He is going. He is going.
वे लोग आएंगे।
They will come. They will come.
क्या तुम आ सकते हो?
Can you come? Can you come?
ये मेरा फर्ज है।
It is my duty. It is my duty.
मुझसे मिलो।
Meet me. Meet me.
मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ।
I want to meet you. I want to meet you.
मुझे वहाँ मिलना है।
I want to meet you there. I want to meet you there.
मैं आपसे कल मिलता हूँ।
I'll meet you tomorrow. I'll meet you tomorrow.
ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
It is just the beginning. It is just the beginning.
आपने सारी हदें पार कर दी।
You have crossed all the limits. You have crossed all the limits.
क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो?
Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV?
आप कैसे हैं?
How are you? How are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
I am fine. I am fine.
तैयार हो जाओ।
Get ready. Get ready.
समझने की कोशिश करो।
Try to understand. Try to understand.
मैंने एक फैसला लिया है।
I have made a decision. I have made a decision.